Hello guys, it's Mikul here, and today we're going to be unboxing this new computer that my dad got. So this is a Dell computer, which has 32 gigabytes of RAM, like a VR-ready graphics card with 1 terabyte solid state, along with 2 terabytes of hard drive. So let's open this up. So packaging not too fancy. A big box, so okay, so let's open it. Oh, okay, so we have this thing which has just a power cord, laser mouse, wired. I'm guessing it's a keyboard. Let's quickly open it up. Yep, and it is not too fancy. It is kind of long though, just different. So that's that. Put this out of the way and there's some manual starts, setup and stuff. We don't really need that. Ooh, the computer itself. Okay, let's see if we can try taking this out. Or we can just do this. Oh, that works. Okay. So, we get rid of this thing and move it forward. Ooh. Packaging. Oh wow, that looks really nice. And so we have the power SD card, microphone, headphone jack, USB-C, 3 HDMI, and disk drive. On the back, we have something, 2 display ports, 4H. USB, USB-C. Well, actually, no, that's a display port, and then an HDMI, lock and lock. I think it's a NViDIA or something like that. The lock and lock, the power, a button. So there's nothing much. So, oh wow, you just pull it, and the side pops out. Then pull this one too. That unlocks it. Let's see what else I can do. Oh. Ooh. No, how do I do this? See, let's open it up. Oh, there's a tab. Nope. What? How do I open this thing? Why? I have no idea how to open this. It's locked. Do I just push this tab? Or do I have to actually unscrew it? No. Oh well. I'm gonna try locking it. I don't know how. Oh, there we go. Okay, there's nothing much. It's actually really compact for its design. And we'll peel off this and this thing. That's it. Now how to take off this. There's a film on here. It's not coming off. Anyway, well this body is it's all metal and it's kind of small. It's really small. So I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.